Hi there, so we have looked at our carnivorous plants. Now you can make your own Venus flytrap at home. Of course it's fake, but it is something fun to do. All you need is a paper plate and a picture of an insect, a red crayon, a green crayon, some glue, and scissors. So what you do is first you want to fold it in half. Alright, then you have your line. Now, you want to glue in your insect first because it doesn't stick as well when you put crayon over top. So I'm going to put mine somewhere right about there. This poor butterfly is going to be eaten. So the inside tends to be very colorful to attract the insects in so they can trick them. So you quickly, or you can do it very carefully as well, is to color the inside all the way to the very edge of your paper plate. Alright, so you have that. Alright, so you close it. Flip it over on the other side. Do your green. All the way to the very edge, remember? You use the side of the crayon if you have a one that's circular, kind of like doing a leaf print. Alright. Then you have the beginnings. Now we take our scissors. See these little lines here, basically the grooves from the bumps. You want to take them and cut all the way to the center. And you want to do this all the way around. So we'll do this very quickly. Alright, now you want to open these up. Now these are not teeth, these are modified hairs of the plant to create a kind of like a cage, a trap. And there you go, you have your Venus flytrap.